One sunny morning, Era walked through a breezy meadow with Lilo the bunny and Mio the cat. A shiny feather floated down from the sky. "Where did that come from?" asked Era. They followed it with wonder in their hearts. They reached a tall tree, where Poco the puppy barked excitedly. "Look up there," said Lilo. High on a branch sat a tiny bird, shivering and shy. It was Chirri, the little bird who was too scared to fly down. Era called out gently, "It's okay, Chirri. We're here for you." Lilo hopped cheerfully. Mio purred softly. Poco wagged his tail and gave a happy bark. "You can do it," they all said. Chirri chirped nervously. She looked at her new friends and took a deep breath. Then, with a flutter, she jumped down, down, into Era's open arms. Everyone cheered. "You did it, Chirri." As the sky turned gold and pink, the friends sat in the soft grass. "Being brave means trying, even when you're scared," said Era. And Chirri chirped proudly, feeling braver than ever. Thanks for watching. See you next time.